Hey, what's up? Nice to see you again and welcome to a new crock fix video tutorial. So we have here a Redmi 10C smartphone and the problem is the phone is locked. It has a screen lock on it and we are going to remove it now. So if you have a PIN number, a password, a pattern, so I mean the lines to draw on the screen to unlock it, then you will need this video tutorial. So let's start it. So first what we need to do is to power off the phone. We click here the power button, hold it until we see the screen for turning off like this. Then you go click on turn off and again turn off. We wait a couple of seconds so the phone will turn off. Alright, then we need to do following. You will need to press volume up and the power button all together and hold it for at least a couple of seconds until you see the Xiaomi logo coming in, and then again for a couple of seconds and then you release it, right? Okay, so you click both volume up and the power button. Click and hold it. Still holding, the phone is vibrating. Okay, still holding. Okay, now you can release. And now we came into the recovery menu here. So we need to go down where you see wipe data. You go down with the volume down button and then you confirm with the power button here. So once you confirm, it will ask you if you want to wipe all data here. You go down with the volume down button and confirm again to wipe all data. And again, you need to confirm for the third time. Alright, so again, we came back to the main menu, so you need to go down, click here on wipe data, confirm with the power button here, again confirm, and then it asks you for wiping data. You go down to wipe all data, confirm with the power button, and again you go down to confirm and click confirm. Keep in mind, this will erase all the data on the phone, all pictures, contacts and everything, and you will need to know your Google account and your password to successfully activate the phone. If you don't know your Google account, you will need an FRP unlock. So that's a second option and second problem if you have. Alright, now you can click back to the menu, confirm, and again on reboot and confirm with the power button. Reboot the system, confirm. That's actually it, so let me know in the comments how it did work for you. If you have any questions, if you want to say thank you or anything else. I'll see you around in the next video. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.